Ferrari is about to do something fans once said would ruin the brand forever. The company famous for screaming V12 engines and spine-shaking exhaust notes is launching its first fully electric supercar, the Ferrari Luce. No engine roar, no combustion drama, just electricity. The real question is this Ferrari's boldest evolution yet, or the moment it risks losing its soul? Let's find out. Ferrari's legacy has always been about ultra-high revving engines, perfect balance, and visceral feel. Machines that didn't just move fast, they made you feel something. But electrification is reshaping the entire auto industry. Regulations are tightening, technology is evolving, and even brands built on gasoline glory can't ignore what's coming. This isn't just another Ferrari hybrid or plug-in experiment. The Luce is fully electric, the first in Ferrari's history. That alone makes it one of the most important cars the company has ever built. Not just technically, but symbolically. Ferrari developed a dedicated high-voltage platform specifically for this car, meaning this isn't a converted gas chassis or an adapted hybrid architecture. It was engineered from the ground up to be electric. That tells you something important. Ferrari isn't treating EVs like a side project. They're treating them like the next era. The Luce uses 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, giving it permanent all-wheel drive and advanced torque vectoring. That means instead of just brute speed, the car can precisely control power at each corner, adjusting grip and rotation hundreds of times per second. In theory, that could make it one of the most agile Ferraris ever built. Combined output is expected to exceed 1,100 horsepower. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. Acceleration estimates suggest it could hit 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, possibly much quicker depending on final tuning. But raw acceleration isn't the real story here. Electric cars are already quick in a straight line. What matters is whether the Luce can deliver driver engagement, the thing Ferrari is famous for. Steering feel, chassis feedback, corner balance, those are the traits enthusiasts actually care about. Under the floor sits a massive battery pack expected to deliver roughly 330 miles of range. Impressive considering the power output. Ferrari is also focusing heavily on thermal management and fast charging capability, meaning performance shouldn't drop off after a few hard runs. A common issue in high-performance EVs, Ferrari hasn't fully revealed the exterior yet, and that mystery is intentional. Teasing the design builds anticipation, but we have seen the interior, and it already sparked serious discussion. Instead of copying the giant screen minimalist approach most EV brands use, Ferrari kept physical controls, real buttons, real switches, real tactile feedback. That's a deliberate decision, because Ferrari knows its buyers don't want their car to feel like a tablet. The cockpit still wraps around the driver. The steering wheel keeps that iconic Ferrari layout. Displays are integrated, not dominating. The whole cabin feels engineered for driving, not just for looking futuristic. It's modern, yes, but unmistakably Ferrari. The Luce isn't entering an empty arena. It's stepping into a growing class of ultra-high-performance electric machines. Cars like the Rimac Nevera, Lotus Evija, and other extreme EV hypercars already proved electric performance can be insane. So Ferrari doesn't just need to be fast, it needs to be better. Better driving feel, better emotion, better identity. Because when you buy a Ferrari, you're not just buying speed, you're buying the experience. And that's exactly where the pressure is. For decades, Ferrari's soundtrack was half the experience. The rising scream of an engine, the mechanical vibration, the drama. Electric cars don't naturally have that. So Ferrari faces its biggest challenge yet. How do you create emotion in silence? Some reports suggest Ferrari is experimenting with sound engineering to give the Luce an audible character. Not fake noise for the sake of it, but something designed to enhance feedback and immersion. Whether purists accept that is another story. Here's the thing most people don't realize. The Luce isn't just another model launch. It's a test, a real-world experiment that will shape Ferrari's future lineup. If buyers love it, Ferrari's electric roadmap accelerates. If they don't, Ferrari may slow down its transition. In other words, this car isn't just important for Ferrari. It's important for the entire supercar world. So here's the real question. Can an electric car truly feel like a Ferrari? Or is that something electricity can never replace? Because in the end, numbers are easy. Speed is easy. Technology is easy. Emotion, that's the hard part. And that's exactly what the Ferrari Luce has to prove. Ferrari's first electric supercar isn't just a new model, it's a saint.